With mental health conversations becoming more open, many people are questioning their own thought patterns. One question comes up again and again. Am I just overthinking? Or could this be OCD? According to Shyam Gupta, co-founder of Emotion of Life, this confusion is understandable, but often misleading. He explains, overthinking and OCD may look similar on the surface, but they operate very differently at an emotional and neurological level. Overthinking is a common response to stress, uncertainty, or emotional overload. It often appears during challenging phases such as work pressure, relationship concerns, health anxiety, or major life changes. Shyam Gupta explains that overthinking usually revolves around real-life situations and feels logical, even if exhausting. There are no fixed rituals or compulsive behaviors attached. Once stress eases, the thought loops often settle. Obsessive-compulsive disorder works very differently. Shyam Gupta explains, OCD is driven by fear and intolerance of uncertainty, not logic. The thoughts feel intrusive, unwanted, and deeply distressing, often clashing with a person's own values. These intrusive thoughts trigger intense anxiety, guilt, or fear. To neutralize this discomfort, individuals may engage in compulsions. OCD recovery is approached through a structured, non-medication-based model grounded in emotional regulation and behavioral change. Recovery involves gradually reducing compulsions, building tolerance for uncertainty, and reconnecting individuals with their values and everyday responsibilities. The goal is not symptom control, he says, but emotional resilience and long-term freedom from the fear cycle. Self-diagnosing OCD based on online lists can increase fear and constant self-monitoring. At the same time, dismissing genuine OCD as just stress can delay effective help. Shyam Gupta advises that when fear begins to dictate behavior, or when reassurance offers only temporary relief, professional guidance becomes essential. Not every racing thought is OCD, and not every anxious mind is simply overthinking. The difference lies in fear, certainty-seeking, and behavioral patterns, not in how often thoughts appear. Understanding this distinction is